y'all, and welcome back to my channel. What have I got for you today? A recipe box and holder. Your supply list for this video is Waverly Antique Wax, 2 adhesive cork sheets from the Dollar Tree, 1 pack of wooden clothespins, 1 of these small wooden crates from the Dollar Tree, and also from the Dollar Tree, 1 sunflower wall art sticker. Paint the crate inside and out with the antique wax. I freehanded the word recipes with a black marker and then painted the flowers with white and yellow paint. Super easy and super cute. Now I'm going to stop right here and tell you about this random find. My husband and I were struggling with some financial decisions, but we knew we had already turned them over to God, but they were still weighing on us. The Saturday of that same week, I found these cute K prayer cards, and I noticed the wording at the top. Y'all, don't tell me God won't speak to you anywhere. He got me in the middle of Dollar Tree. Okay, on with the project. Now I'm going to use 4 of the clothespins, and in keeping with the color scheme in my kitchen, I'm going to use blue, yellow, and white paint to make random decorations on the clothespins. Y'all, I'm loving this color combo. The yellow and white pops against that cobalt blue. Now for my favorite part. The cork is adhesive. All you have to do is peel off the backing, find your placement where you want your recipe board to be. I chose a cabinet door by my stove, and stick them on. That's it. Then I chose this tall sunflower sticker to put on the side to give my board some visual interest. Finally, I hot glued the clothespins, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Hot tip. The 2 at the bottom need to be facing finger pinchy side down. Finger pinchy. That's another technical term. I really love this recipe box and holder. Maybe I'll cook more now. We'll see. Thank you for watching, and if this is your first time visiting Kelly's Closet, please consider hitting the subscribe button. If you like this project, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment on the color combinations you'd choose. Until next time, be blessed, be kind, but most of all, be crafty.